A French former surgeon is on trial for allegedly sexually abusing 299 victims, mostly child patients, in the country's largest ever child sexual abuse case. Here's what we know. Joël Lescournec, now 74 years old, faces up to 20 years in prison if convicted of the alleged rape and abuse of 299 victims between 1989 and 2014. Lescournec, quote, admits responsibility for a vast majority of the acts, said his lawyer, Maxime Tessier, on February 24th, the first day of the 4-month trial in Vannes, Brittany, France. Lescournec has already been serving 15 years in prison after he was found guilty of the rape and sexual assault of children in 2020. Lescournec's crimes were discovered in 2017 when a 6-year-old neighbor told her parents Lescournec exposed himself to her and then sexually assaulted her, after which he was reported to the police. At Lescournec's home, the police found sex dolls, child pornography, and diaries detailing his alleged abuses. Many victims reported they did not remember their trauma until police investigators contacted them.
Je suis victime de Joël Lescournec. J'ai été violée en salle de réveil en 1991 à la clinique de la Fontaine de Loche. Je l'ai découvert en 2019 à la lecture d'un journal où j'ai reconnu mon histoire et j'ai remonté le fil des événements avec mon médecin et mon avocate. Et donc j'ai eu confirmation que j'étais bien dans les carnets de Joël Lescournec. Ça fait 5 ans, donc j'ai fait un bon travail sur moi-même et aujourd'hui je suis là et je suis prête.
Lescournec's trial has put the French medical system under scrutiny. In 2005, Lescournec was sentenced to 4 months of suspended jail time for possessing and importing child sexual abuse material. Despite his conviction, Lescournec remained allowed to treat children and was appointed as a hospital practitioner the next year.
Si toutes ces personnes-là avaient fait leur travail et parlé au moment T, on aurait pu éviter beaucoup de victimes supplémentaires. Il y a des silences qu'il faut arrêter. Voilà.